Are you getting fed up of having different end mills for different materials? Well, I'm in the tech corner with Neil from Walter Tools, who's brought a family of end mills that can do everything. So Neil, what have you brought with you today?
Okay, this is, as you say, a family of end mills. We've got it under a banner Xill-tec, which we've created, stands for Excellence in Milling. And these particular cutters are MC230, MC233, which is a range, very full range of cutters with various number of flutes, various helix angles, and it's designed for pretty much the full range of applications, end mill applications, and a very broad range of materials are capable of machined with it.
So what sort of sizes can I get in this type of end mill?
Well, we run right from 1mm up to 25mm. In various increments. In the main it's 1mm increments, but the range is splattered with other offers. For instance, sub 3mm, they go in 0.1mm increments for some of the finer detail. And but in the main, the larger diameters we're running in 1mm increments through the range.
So obviously having a full range of a family of end mills, you normally have to have separate end mills for full slotting, for side finishing, for trochoidal milling. But can I do it all with this group of end mills?
It can be done. The target is ease of use, plug and play pretty much. So we have a product called GPS, Guided Product Search, which is two parts. It's the skill shortage, addressing the gaps in the industry. So we're making things easy to apply. GPS will allow you to do that. And the idea is go to GPS, plug in your application, or you plug in the type of cutter that you've actually got to do the application, and then it'll give you this cutting data, and you take it straight from the computer to the machine. And with really fair play, a level playing field, you'll get a very good application.
So obviously, does that come around for speeds and feeds as well? Because obviously if you're using the same cut for different materials, your speed, feed, depth of cut, step over it, that's all got to change.
And one of the big emphasis that Walter's always made on applications is to be very specific about the materials. So there's a large database of materials in GPS. So again, the cutters will adapt across different materials. They're designed for that, and this is part of the ease of use side of things.
And something else that I've noticed since we've been studying, and we've spoken about this before, is so I can get these end mills in normal or in necked back as well?
Yep, that's correct. So clearance built in for the longer applications, finishing applications when you don't want to any connecting with non-cutting surfaces. And again, a lot of thought, a lot of design's gone into this. So we've got quite a high-end product in our mid-range, and added to it the coating technology that we use these days. This is really bringing high performance to that sort of universal application range. And
then obviously, depending on the industry, the application, people use oil, emulsion, coolant. Can I use these end mills with any of them?
It can be. Obviously, that dictates a lot with performance and tool life and things like that, but it's designed to cover the broad mass range of machine tools in every industry. So it's very versatile.
And I just want to reiterate what you said. I love how you call it the plug and play end mill. Yep. But also with the new system, obviously we all know there's a skill gap and there's a skill shortage at the moment. So even an apprentice who's just started can go in, fill it out, and give you everything he needs.
We've made it as safe as possible. Ease of use. GPS will give you very good cutting data that's safe. Obviously, it's a start condition, and someone can fine tune it if they want to go from there. That will take you off other levels of application where you bring into the higher end products. But this is designed to do the broadest base milling range of applications that we can on a plug and play basis.
And final question, through coolant, can I get these end mills with through coolant?
We haven't gone down that road with through coolant. Again, we've got other products in the range that address that. This is all again to get the biggest part of the machine tool industry that we can. So the most common range of machines that you would apply these tools on.
So if somebody at home's looking and they're struggling with end mills, they just can't seem to get things to work in all different materials, how can they get in contact with you about finding out more about these?
Well, it's a new product, so it's quite evident on our website. It's easy to find on our website. The GPS information and applications on our website. So The easiest way to find out about it is to either watch the videos. YouTube's a good channel, and the other one is our website, www.walter-tools.com.